Let us write into the night, flames burn bright. Our rider's journey begins wary. Please tell the fairies. Drowning berries in lakes, as to not fake. Seasons of Ras Shiva, Parvati partakes. In Rosalia's social room, Ojibwe spiders spin. Falling from the skies, rain with spores, pours and bears. Shattering glass, lightning flash, wounded candle, I burn you for two. Suns moved, direction sunset. When sunrise cried, for lullabies held high. Priestesses of Mina smiled while they fied on Baba Yaga's mortar and pestles with wooden sticks made by Frigg. When ether stepped from Etheria's empath breath of death.